Unieye Multifunctional Mini Wi-Fi Camcorder. It's an innovative product with 5 amazing features to make your life easy and safe. You can use your mobile to remote control and watch live video from the camera wirelessly, even if you don't have internet access. With the internet, you can even broadcast and share live video with your friends. You can also monitor and store the live video to keep your family safe anywhere, anytime. It also allows you to watch multiple cameras live at the same time. You can use your mobile to talk remotely to your friend who has the camera. It also features loop recording function, so you can capture the critical moment, like a car accident while you're driving. The camera has user-friendly interfaces and powerful functions. It provides micro SD storage and micro USB port, 100-degree wide view angle lens, excellent low light performance with a large aperture. The 4 LEDs give you an easy and clear indication when you use your camera. Turn on the camera and press the mode button to choose video mode or photo mode. Directly press the record button to shoot video or take photos. It also provides 2 different wireless connections, direct mode and cloud mode, which you choose by pressing the mode button. In direct mode, you can freely connect the camera with a PC or mobile to watch live view or remote control. Even if you don't have internet access, this mode is good for different monitoring applications, like a baby monitor. In cloud mode, connect to an access point or mobile hotspot. The video is then sent to a cloud server, so you can watch live video on a PC or mobile wherever and whenever you need. Unieye gives you 3 popular cloud servers. For live broadcasting media, use Ustream. For private monitoring as IPCam, use Sensor.net or Yox. The Unieye app supports Android, iPhone, and Windows Phone. It offers you a smart and easy direct mode connection. There is also PC software stored in the camera. Just plug the USB cable into your PC and the software will be installed automatically in the PC. With Unieye, getting started is easy. Just select the Unieye icon. Then choose your camera to start live view. With the Unieye app, you can remotely control the camera to zoom in, zoom out, take photos, and shoot video. You can also put multiple cameras around your home for more live views to keep your family safe. Just press